Let us explain the thermage FLX. The installing steps. First of all, when we talk about instruments, the first step is to install the handle, and then it has a lock here. Just lock it and it's already installed. Then we hang the handle here. Then this is the negative electrode patch stuck here. After installation, our first step is to install our liquid nitrogen. What about liquid nitrogen? Let us open this lid. Then put it in. It is threaded. Let's tighten it. Tighten until it cannot turn. Okay, that's it now. Then cover. The next step is to install the power cord. If you turn on the phone, press and hold it here for a few seconds. Just wait for a while. Okay, now we turn on the phone. And after that, our first step is to install our probe. Next, take a look at our probe. This one is an eye probe for our eyes. Okay, let's take a look now. When the probe is not installed now, it has an exclamation mark. So what happens when we install the probe? It has an arc here. Let's aim our handle. Then insert it. Okay, then that's it now. In this case, it means that our handle has been installed. Then we hang up. Our first step is to adjust one of our liquid nitrogen. After hanging up, for liquid nitrogen, we click on it in the upper right corner. After clicking in, our screen locks. Don't adjust it. What about the language? It depends on what you like. Then go to select. The main volume is what we are operating. When it is fired, it will have a volume. It depends on how loud you like it. What about RF sound volume? It is synchronized, a type of sound. It also depends on whether you prefer a classic model or a comfortable model. Don't order the training mode either. The most important thing is to click on our search log. That is to say, when we are operating, our liquid nitrogen has a front spray and a rear spray. Then let us adjust the front spray to 6.0. After spraying, just control it to 0.1. If we say that when operating for customers, for example, it's a new probe, we are going to shoot 2 empty shots. Let him come out with the refrigerant. If you are operating a customer, we met a customer who said it was very hot. Then our liquid nitrogen may not be produced much. So let's add a little more. Adjust it to 7.0 or 8.0 until the customer feels cold and uncomfortable. That's okay. Anyway, she felt very hot. We just adjust it upwards. If she feels that the probe is particularly cold, there is no such thing as a warm temperature. Then let's adjust it down. Just now, for example, we adjusted it to 6.0. Then let's adjust it to 5.5, for example. Or adjust it to 5.0. Make customers feel comfortable in a situation of hot or cold. Then that's it. After we adjust it, just click OK. After that, when we are operating our face. Now we are installing a facial probe. What about when we are operating the face? First operate the neck. For the neck, we recommend energy starting from 0.0 bars. Then the customer said he didn't feel anything. Add on step by step. Then the intensity of our vibration. It is recommended to adjust it to the highest level. When it comes to making ice, it is recommended to adjust the vibration intensity to low, or just hate it. Let's take a look at what's going on here. There is a total number of rounds of 900. The number of rounds remaining is 649. So our current probe is currently used 251 rounds. Okay, after we have adjusted these things, let's check the box. Let's take a look after checking the box. This is when we are operating, once per operation. Let's follow this. We just press and hold. Let the vibration or sound stop on its own. Keep it pressed. This is the complete one shot. If you press it and release it, the shot is a waste, because the energy stopped after release it. Okay, that's it.